In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a finance tracker in Notion. We'll walk through finding a ready-made template and adding it to your workspace so you can start organizing income, expenses, budgets, and goals in just a few minutes. All you need is your Notion account and a web browser. First, open your browser and go to notion.com. If you prefer the desktop app, that works too. The buttons and menus are nearly identical, so follow along wherever you're most comfortable. On the homepage, click Log In to access your account, or choose Launch Notion if you're already signed in. Either way, you'll land inside your Notion environment without any extra setup. Once you're in, head to your workspace. If you belong to more than one, use the workspace switcher at the top left to select where you want your finance tracker to live. Picking the right workspace now helps keep your personal and team pages organized later. Next, create a new page. You'll see the new page option in the sidebar. This opens a blank canvas. We won't build from scratch today. Instead, we'll bring in a template that's already structured for finance tracking, which saves time and ensures you start with best practice layouts. On the new page, click Templates. If that option isn't visible, click Marketplace to open Notion's template gallery. Think of this gallery as a library of ready-to-use setups created by Notion and the wider community, covering everything from budgeting to project management. Use the search bar and type Finance Tracker. This filters the gallery to templates designed for personal budgets, expense logs, savings goals, and even small business finances. Searching keeps you focused and avoids getting lost in unrelated options. Now, browse the results, open previews, look at screenshots, and read the descriptions to see how each template is structured. Pay attention to the properties and views, things like categories, payment methods, dates, and charts, so you can tell if the layout matches how you like to manage money. Before you pick one, make sure to check whether it's free or paid. Notion labels pricing clearly in the gallery. If a template links to an external creator, take a second to confirm the price and any terms so there are no surprises. Once you've found a template that fits your needs, click Add. Notion will place it into your workspace, and you'll see it appear in your sidebar as a new page. Open it to explore the views and databases that came with it, and you're ready to begin tracking. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.